This is my screen recording for the textual comparison of Galatians 6. So I'll go over to Tools and hit Text Comparison, and it's already open to Galatians 6. I was looking at that earlier. So I drag it over here and have this already preloaded with ESV, New American Standard, NIV, Revised Standard, King James as well. And so you can see one other thing on the setup I had to do is make sure I checked show differences and show base text so it would look just like you had taught us. So all these subsequent versions to the ESV are being compared to the very first one in this list, ESV, and it's showing the differences. This was very interesting to see the percentage difference in the text. As well, it shows you syntactical as well as lexical differences that you talked about. Paul, an apostle, not from men, and in a New American Standard, instead of from, they're using the word sent, which is a difference there. Right here, nor through man, but through Jesus Christ. In the New American Standard, it says nor through the agency of man. The agency of is not existing in the ESV. Here it's by, which gives a different connotation. Here it's by neither by human commission. All the brothers, here it's translated in the New American Standard as brethren, or in the RSV, New RSV, it's members of God's family. So brothers, brethren, or members of God's family. Here it actually says sisters. So there's a lexical issue right here in terms of what this word means. And so, yeah, I did find this ISV. Huh. Apparently I don't have that, do I? RSV. Okay. The other thing that you wanted us to look at is in the Greek text. Well, I don't know if you wanted us to go through this whole passage, but and talk about the different. There's too much here to talk about, but there's quite a few differences. But just to show you on the Greek side, the Nestle Alan version, and the let me pull up my thing here. Not the Robinson Pierpoint. BYZ. Here it is. Okay. And so here I've got the Greek versions, two different Greek versions of the passage in Galatians 1, and showing a 12.5% difference. And it's highlighting the different, for instance, this first instance of this Christou. the word here. I don't quite see the different. I might have to let me. I don't know if I can. Oh, here we go. Nope, that's not it. I want to change the font to make it bigger. Here we go. Might be able to see this a little better now. It's a Jesus Christ is right here, Christu, and not exactly sure. Oh, it's like the lowercase versus the uppercase of the chi appears to be the only difference. And here the only difference in this adelphoi word, adelphoi, is the grave versus the acute accent, I believe. It looks to be different. That seems to be a very minor difference. Maybe this is why it's only 12.5% difference. And then, so basically that's, well, here looks like something that, a significant difference. Pat Ross, but then there's this amon word, Patmos, amon. The arrangement of the words is looks like it appears here, but it's not. In this version, it's in a different order. So anyway, this is showing how to do a textual analysis in the Greek, and also earlier in the English versions of the Bible.